Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one topic, that is cities creation. In this basically we are discussing about the 20% error, that is education basically error, and that is 100% error. Lots of basically people basically are trying to solve out that error. That is with 100 plane basically is also basically the example. In this basically we are discussing about one topic, that is this. One person told that basically this party is okay basically. Yeah. This party is okay, but who is controlling the city basically? For example, uh, entire stable data who is generating basically? Stable data means earthquake is not happening. All people basically are sitting at home peacefully. All political party people basically are at the parliament house peacefully. All basically Naukri.com, Monster.com, Times of India. This all group basically are sitting peacefully in the office and doing the work basically. Who is basically controlling that basically? Controlling means due to which group basically they are peacefully standing, peacefully doing the work basically. Peacefully means there is no earthquake happening, nothing basically is happening. Then basically one of the person told that basically that are basically this group basically. The nuclear power plant basically of the India. This all are the nuclear power plant basically of the India basically. See basically, see. These all are the nuclear plant basically. You can see this, or basically see basically this. I will take one by one example basically. Location Gujarat, that is NPCIL, then Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. Most of basically are in Tamil Nadu basically, I think. तमिलनाडु राजस्थान गुजरात तमिलनाडु एंड उत्तर प्रदेश, बस इतना ही है. महाराष्ट्र इज ऑल्सो देयर. सी बेसिकली महाराष्ट्र इज ऑल्सो देयर and capacity is this much basically. See basically these all are the nuclear power plant basically. See basically, and these groups are basically handled by this group basically. These groups are basically handled by this group basically. So one of the person told that basically yes, yeah, this group, that means these groups are creating problem. Then one of the person told that basically these groups are basically controlled by which group basically? These groups are basically controlled by this group basically, that is ISRO. This is that basically. This is that basically place, that is Bangalore. This is that group basically who are controlling this all basically utilities. Sorry, this all nuclear power plant basically. So you want to say the nuclear power plant basically are handling, are controlling, sorry, are controlled by ISRO and NASA. In India basically that is ISRO, and in USA that is USA basically software companies, entire USA is basically containing all the software companies. This is that basically, that is the DC basically, Washington DC, that is in USA basically. So one person told that basically that you are basically into software industry, that means these groups are controlling these groups, and these groups are controlling these groups, and these groups are controlling these groups, and these groups are controlling these groups. So just see the sequence basically. These all are the software companies which are controlled by these all are, just first see these all software companies basically. Accenture, Infosys, eClearX. Here also basically I send the resume. Here also, 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 Sonata, here also, here Exaware also, here also, Tech Mahindra also, here also, Capgemini also, here also, Here basically I worked, basically here also basically I worked. Then basically he never take they basically they one person told that basically never love company basically. He might be told correct also. Here basically I worked for 2 years basically, and here basically I worked for some time. Basically I was working for 4 days, and they basically never allowed me to. When I went to this company basically, that time basically they told that basically you can't enter the company basically. This was the answer by the one of the software company, that is the 3i Infotech, and they told that basically sorry, you are not the employee, you are the ex-employee, so you can't enter the company only basically. So that 3 month that three days basically which I have worked basically there, that was, they basically forget that basically. So like this basically the companies are basically. So one of the person told that basically never love company, because you don't know that basically when company stops loving you. So I was the live example basically. I basically loved this company, and then basically they told that basically we hate you, go. Like this was the answer basically. So these all are the software company, and this all software company was controlled by this all groups, and this whole companies basically, this all portal basically are getting controlled by this all political parties. That are reason is this all companies with this all portal basically are in this all portal, and these companies basically are where basically in city basically. That's why one of the person told that these groups basically, the political groups are basically there, who are basically controlling the this, that is companies, and basically this whole thing. Why? Because this group basically has created the, this group basically has created the, that is the political party group basically has created the what, created what, this basically, creation done by this political group has created this, and this also basically. Reason basically these political groups, that is this political group created city, that means this all basically contains, this all are basically inside the city only, no basically. See basically Accenture is where basically in Bangalore. So Bangalore city is not created by this group basically. Yes, basically they have created. So some person told that basically I think these groups are basically controlled by this group basically, and these groups are basically getting controlled by this group, that are the that are the nuclear power company, that are the nuclear power company. Then basically these groups are basically controlled by which group? That is this group, that is this group basically. And these groups are basically where? Washington DC, and another is Karnataka basically. So one of the person told that basically there might be some big issue basically, that this group basically don't want, they basically might not need your energy basically in the future creation, because this group creates the future basically. The earth planet is moving towards, assume that basically it's moving towards earth planet is moving, assume basically, just taking as an example, and really basically it is not moving, it's moving just where I am sitting at the top of the my side basically, the earth planet is moving basically, assume basically, in really basically it is not moving. So earth planet is moving like this basically, right? So in this moving basically my energy is not required, that basically this and these groups are, this and this group basically are telling, right? Because these groups are not helping, that means this group does not need your energy basically. That was basically indirectly told by Washington DC, and that is the USA, and one is the Karnataka, that is basically Bangalore city basically. They told basically that. So next video basically we are going to see that how basically USA and how basically the Karnataka got created in next video basically.